Payday 2 with safe openings, and I thought, why not take out the camera so that all of you can join in on my suffering. This one here is actually probably my best skin I've gotten through Payday saves since I started opening them. This one was pretty good, this one was pretty good. So right now it's looking pretty good, now it's getting worse, and then right down here you can see where all my suffering is coming from. I got a bunch of Steam gift cards over Christmas, and I've already done my game buying for now, so what I've got left over, I've been buying saves. You can see that I have 10 right now, but these are probably 10 off of the 20 that I've already bought, so you can bet that these are not the last 10 you will be seeing. So here we go, opening up safe number, I don't know, 21 maybe. Looks like we got another Night Chill. Could have gotten the Gray Alpha with the stat boost, but instead we're getting a Night Chill. What is it? Lightly marked. On the marketplace, most of these skins are garbage, and they only sell for a couple cents. Alright, looks like we got it. Nope. Got a Legionary. Almost got a Night Chill with a stat boost, but instead got the stupid Legionary. It's battle worn. A lot of my rolls have been awful. All the good skins that I personally think are good have been terrible in wear. Oh, this time we got a Legionary with a stat boost. Beautiful. What's the... Oh, mint condition. This is the best Legionary you can get out of this safe. So, happy for that. This is safe number 6 out of the 10 that we bought. Oh, that makes me pissed. I have a Royal Commander, but it's not stat boost. I keep wanting to say stat track. Number 4. That's happened more than once, seeing the Zulu pass by. I'm on number 3, and already I'm saying to myself, I'm gonna be buying more safes. A lot of these guns I don't even use either. Like this one, I don't use this submachine gun, even though this one, it's a really good skin, but I don't use it. So I might just want to sell it. All right, last safe. I don't know. Oh my god! Come on! Come on! Come on! These safes were listed at 35. There was about, like I said, there was about 20 of them listed at 35 cents. They're all gone because of me. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Could have gotten another Face of Death, but instead we're gonna get another Night Stalker. That makes me happy. Makes me extremely happy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That hurts. I don't know if anyone who does open safes or open cases, they know, they feel the pain that I do. But for those of you who don't do that and they don't understand why I'm being so heavily triggered by this, I guess you're right. Like, I don't know why I should be so heavily triggered by this. This is so stupid. But I can't stop. That's why it's an addiction. Alright, Desert Commando. Desert Commando. Mint condition, please. Mint condition. That would be great. Excellent. Mint condition. There's some Grim Reapers right there. It'd be nice to get the Grim Reapers, even though I don't use them. Safe number 15. Oh, there they are! Grim Reapers! Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Mint condition. Mint condition, please. 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 Mint condition. Please, please, please. Broken in. They don't look too bad, though. We got the Grim Reapers. So we got all the reds from the Chains collection. Hold on, hold on. Let's look. Let's look at what's inside. We've gotten this one, 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 this one. Haven't gotten this one, haven't gotten this one. So there's only 3, and counting the rare special item. There's only 3 things in the chain safe that I have not gotten yet. You'd think I'd be able to just live with that and call it a day. But I can't. I want a rare special item. I've opened up so many cases. I should get a rare special item by now. But instead I'm getting well-used Gurkhas. Thank you for the Gurkha. What is it? Case number 18? Plus? I'm sick and tired of these Gurkhas. I used to use the signature. What was that? Oh, it just wanted to give me my Gurkha as quickly as possible. You know I'm not done though. You know I'm not done. I need some luck. I need some luck. Give me some luck. Give me some luck. Alright, not bad. Not bad. But what's the where? Well, you did get me a purple. You show potential. Give me luck. Give... Alright. 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 More Grim Reapers? More Grim... I need you. I need some comfort right now. I'm having a really hard time. I need comfort. Oh my god, I keep pressing the open safe button before I back out. It's so stupid. I mean, I am losing money over... Excuse me. I am losing money over this. But it could be worse. Like, every time I get a blue, I could be killing off people I know. It's like that show about where someone presses a button and someone they know dies. It's like that. Every time I get a blue, someone I know dies. That'd be awful. That'd be really awful. I'd feel really bad if that was the case. Those are gonna be the last safes that we open today, because now I'm just starting to feel depressed. I'm a freaking junkie when it comes to this. What was that? What was that spinner like slowed down? It could have possibly reached the Desert Commando, but instead it slows down to give me the freaking blue. This one's rigged. Overkill has rigged their case system. I'm calling it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No, I did not just see that. I've watched CSGO case openings before, and they do not get teases like that. They do not get teases like what you just saw more often than I have gotten opening these safes. These red teases have been so frequent that I can't think of any other possible explanation why it happens over and over again. I don't understand. I don't understand. Give me the Grey Hunter. Give me the Grey Hunter. Yes! Another Grey Hunter. Finally. Lightly marked. A little bit worse. I think that one might be a little under $4, because my mint condition one is about $4 for something. I'm getting tired of these Night Stalkers. So the last case opening, the last 10 safes that I got, it was the Night Chill that I got. This one, it's the Night Stalker. The Grey Hunter goes by. Oh, and another safe opening prior was the freaking Bories. I got so many Bories, and they were all garbage. All the wares were garbage. Jeez, these things go by fast. Like, I was hoping I'd be on safe 9, but no, I'm already... There was the click. There was the... I heard it. I know I wasn't looking, but I heard it. Oh my god, I didn't even see the Grey Hunter. Do you understand now by what I mean by these frequent red teases? This is not funny. This is absolutely not funny. Last 3 saves. Last 3 saves. Silent Strike. Don't give me the Rattler. Don't give me the Rattler. Oh. It's like the difference between an A, no, not even an A, a B and a C. That's what that was. I could have gotten a B. I was so close to getting a B, but I got one question wrong. I got one question wrong on the test, and now because of that, I get a C. So... yeah, I just did that. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. I will be happy if I can get a better Royal Commander. Because I really do, I really like the gun, and I really like the skin. So it would be great if I got a mint condition Royal Commander. I will be happy about this entire case opening if I get a Royal Commander. I need something to look forward to. I mean, I know what I'm looking forward to, but it's really dark in the back, like it's pitch black, and I can't see if it's up there. I can't see if that's what's up there, or if it's some gigantic monster. It's some gigantic blue monster that's going to devour me. Sully's up there, except it's Sully's dark brother that just eats children. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was Sully's dark brother. It was Sully's dark brother. I'm dead now. I'm eaten. But he said, wait, I'm not gonna finish you. I'm just gonna pepper and season you. You go ahead and finish opening up your cases. I'll eat you when you're done. I'm sick and tired of seeing these pinks go by. I am sick and tired. Sick and tired of being sick and tired of being sick and tired of watching these pinks go by. Absolutely infuriating. Oh my god, that was so many reds. That was so many reds. Almost half of them, if not all of them, were stat boost. And I get a well-used, non-stat boost Legionary for a gun I don't even use. I actually got mad there. Oh, they must have known I was mad because they're giving me my stat boost Legionary. It's broken in, so it's just a little bit better than the well-used one. So they're like, we'll give you just a little bit better one, stat boost. Does that make you feel better? Does that make you feel a little bit better? No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. I need to calm down. Like this is too much. Oh my god.
Oh, we hate you! We hate you! We hate you!
Oh my god. I don't even give a shit. I give zero shits that I just got a mint condition stat boost purple. So this is it. This is it. After this, that is it. I'm out of gift money. I can't believe I let this happen. I cannot believe I let this happen. This is awful. This is absolutely awful of me. I pity myself. Screw it. I don't even care if I don't even care that I'm not completing the Chains collection. I don't care. Stop giving me the Legionaries. It's awful. It is absolutely awful. Don't give a shit. Don't give a shit that it's lightning mine. Stop showing it to me. I don't care. I swear to God if you give me another one. Oh, there it is. I see it. I'm gonna have so many skins. Nobody is gonna want to buy this off me. There's no point putting it in the marketplace. The best thing I could do with all these crap skins. The best thing I could do with all these crap skins is hold on to them in hopes that Overkill makes contracts for these weapon skins. Alright? Case number 9. Or 9 left, I should say. Come on, Royal Commander, mint condition, please, make me happy. Yes! Holy shit. You must think I'm pathetic for getting excited over a pink. I mean, a pink is pretty good. Mint condition pink is even better. For, like I said earlier, a gun that I use, a skin that I like. So I'm personally happy. And if you're like, oh, that skin's crap, fuck you. But we're gonna keep opening. Because there's a possibility for a stat boost mint condition Royal Commander. Or a rare special item. which we're not gonna get. We're gonna get, oh, the Night Chill. Not the Stat Boost Gurkha. The Night Chill. Safe number 7 left. 7 safe left. That was a Night Stalker, everybody. Don't forget, write that down. There's the Zulu. Not gonna get it, though. I was focused on the Zulu that I didn't even notice I was landing on the Legionary. Oh my god, it's not even pronounced Legionary, it's Legionnaire. I might even be pronouncing that wrong. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong in the comments. Also, feel free to comment how stupid I am. It's okay. I understand. I agree solely with you. So, have hats. Well, at least it wasn't the Legionnaire. At least it wasn't the Legionnaire. Imagine how happy I would be if I got a rare special item on the last safe of the gift money. Imagine how happy I would be. So we're gonna replace that. Gonna replace that right away. A nice brand spanking new Royal Commander. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for joining in on my stupidity. You aren't stupid. I don't blame you for. I'm not calling you stupid for clicking on this stupid video. I'm calling myself stupid for engaging in this stupid addiction. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.
Yeah.